I'm going. We're in downtown Pittsburgh, approaching the Steel Plaza T light rail station. There's Oliver Avenue. Right here is the AT&T Tower. Okay, let's head over to this entrance right here. See, there is a notice elevator, which is unfortunately restricted. But anyways, we're here at the T station. Because we're approaching the station. And I think we got some Westies. If you guys are wondering right here. The whole reason we're here, we're going to film the Westies. There's an old entrance to the T this way. So, let's head over here. Let's head over here. Boost it. Ooh, nice music. Let's head to the elevators. This is the Station Square and South Hills elevator. It's a Westinghouse. Westinghouse. Let's get a look at it. Dad, here's the elevator. Love that dinner bell. P? I'll see you up here. Here we go. This goes to the platform. Here we are, P. Love that dinner bell. Let's go up to M.
Smoking and tobacco products of any kind.
There's a platform. Door close button does not work. Nice motor. Just your basic transit system style elevator. California coded AE. ATA phone. Love that dinner bell. There it goes, and that's it.